And I tell you that this model is a model that's inside a fully self-driving vehicle, and this is the yes/no on whether to press the brakes or not and stop. Now what do you guys think? Is 85% accuracy good enough? Give me your answer to that. Forget the loans, forget the banks. Now this is a model that's inside a full self-driving vehicle, a Tesla or whatever. And this is the model that decides yes, no, press the brakes. What do you guys think? How are you feeling about 85% then? Okay. See, Karthi says no. Moriah says not good. Jeremiah, no. Ashish, no. Yep, that's exactly right, guys. Karthi came back and corrected themselves on saying hell no because they wanted to make sure that we got his answer. Okay, Karthi, message received. Hell no, we got it. Okay, good. You guys are getting it. What's the lesson here, right? The model looks reasonable, but what's your real world application?